Welcome to our VoxNet Portal video tutorial. This video is designed to guide you through the basic steps of managing your phone system using VoxNet's online portal. In this particular video, we will review a basic introduction of the portal's capabilities, how to manage an existing phone extension settings, and how to control an extension's routing options. To access VoxNet's online portal, simply visit hostedpbx.voxnetinc.com. Enter your login information here and click Login. Once you have logged into your VoxNet portal, you will be on the home page. On your home page, you will notice a list of tabs across the top of your screen. The Activity tab, you can access call date, time, call duration, call type, call from, in other words, your caller ID information, call to, and account code information. The Voicemail tab allows you to access and see message ID, caller ID, call date and time, and call duration. On the Services tab, you're able to access PBX information, phone numbers, mailboxes, extensions, E911 information, and auto attendance. Under the Reports tab, you are able to view call activity by start and end dates, call type, and choose to view as a graph or list of calls. Under the Settings tab, you are able to update a user profile and change user type from administrator to call center agent or basic end user. All administrator programming that we will review in this video can be found under the Services tab. One of the first things we want to take a look at are your phone numbers. While on the Services tab, from the left side of your screen, click Phone Numbers. On this page, you will see a list of your phone numbers and their corresponding caller ID name, ring to destination, whether it's a toll-free number or not, and whether it's been activated in the system. To look at more information about a particular phone number, click on Edit on the right side of your screen. Here you will see a list of features that are generally pre-programmed by your system implementation specialist during your phone system's installation. As a system administrator, one of the common changes that you will make on this page is to caller ID settings. Next to caller ID, you can change the text that will appear on the display of the person that's being called from this phone number. Please know this change can take up to 7 days to take effect. Another change you can make as an administrator is to a specific phone number's call routing. To do this, simply click on the drop-down next to Route To and choose whether you would like the number to go to a group, a mailbox, extension, or another option. In this example, we'll choose Mailbox, and from the second drop-down, we'll choose the specific mailbox we want to send the telephone number to. Under Advanced Settings, if this is a new phone number you are activating, change Currently Active from No to Yes. When finished, click Save. As you can see in this demonstration, when you hover over the title of a setting, a text box description of the feature you're looking at appears. This occurs throughout the system. In our next exercise, let's take a look at extensions. After clicking on the Services tab, click Extensions on the left column of your screen to open your extension list. To edit an existing extension, simply click Edit next to the extension you wish to edit. This is where you will enter all of the associated information for the new extension, including name, call routing options, and voicemail. One important thing to understand here is that if you need to change the name associated with an extension and its corresponding telephone, and you have a particular phone model, there are 2 steps you must take. First, you must change the text in the extension details section of the portal and click Save. Then you must also change the text on the physical phone. To complete this second step, you will need to web into the telephone. To web into the phone, please determine which phone model you have and locate the corresponding How to Web In document. Follow those instructions on how to complete the second step of changing an extension's name. Please note, E911 location must be configured as part of changing or adding any extension, either before or after configuration. This is also accessed from the left side of your screen by clicking on E911 directly above extensions. One of the most frequently used tools within your database for administrators to manage would be the call routing for an extension. While on the extension detail page, you'll notice an option for call routing. In other words, how would you like incoming calls to be handled? The system will send all calls to the try first setting, and if you're busy or unable to answer the phone, or if the phone is offline, the system will handle the call based on the settings. From the Try First drop-down box, choose where you would like the call to first ring. Subsequently, choose the option to associate with that device. If busy, you're able to choose if you'd like the call to go to a mailbox, and if so, associate the mailbox you would like to have receive those calls. If unanswered, or if offline, from the drop-down, choose the appropriate device or option to associate. When finished, click Save. Some of the additional tabs you'll find within routing and configuration is a Find Me option. The Find Me feature attempts to locate you by dialing each of the following locations until you accept or reject the call. The caller is placed on hold until you are found. Once you answer the call, you have the option to accept the call or reject the call. You also have the option to reject the call and leave a short message for the caller. From the drop-down boxes, choose how you would like your Find Me options to display. When finished, click Save. Within Routing and Configuration, you may also work on the Advanced tab. The Advanced tab allows you to configure extension details such as message waiting extension, rules for call waiting, a missed call list, and to show agent status. Using the drop-down boxes, set your advanced options, and when finished, click Save. There are two types of extensions. A standard extension is most common and associated with a physical telephone. A cloud extension is not associated with an actual phone, but is a virtual extension. A prime example of a person who would need a cloud extension would be a salesperson who is always on the road and does not have a physical phone, but needs a voicemail box to receive messages from others. The reason a cloud extension is important in this situation is because this person's coworkers would not be able to transfer calls to this person's voicemail box unless a cloud extension is associated with it. From the Services tab, click on Extensions on the left side of your screen. Then click Cloud. To create a new cloud extension, click New Cloud Extension. Under the Extension Details extension number, assign the extension, name the extension. Under Seconds to Ring, set the time to 5 seconds. When finished, click Save. This concludes our video tutorial. We hope it has been helpful and answers any questions you may have had. If you'd like to contact us for further information, our customer service team is available to assist you.